Welcome back to Jagrata Nabodhita channel, my dear divine souls. Today I'm going to talk something about love, positivity, and goodness in whatever we do, and also going to connect the dots to how do we act, how do we react. So both the things are included in this message today in this small story. The story, I was talking to my wife in the morning, and the story probably some of you might have heard in one of the satsangs, quite possible, but slightly different. So this story is called Inside Out. If you really do a self-introspection, many of us, are we the same of what people perceive you and me to be, or are we different? Or are we different from what we are actually projecting to the world and what we are really are inside? So the story is all about inside out. So when I was talking to my wife, I was asking, I take an orange fruit and cut it into two equal pieces and squeeze it. You know the manual squeezer you have. Squeeze it, what will you come? And she was laughing at me. So if you squeeze an orange fruit, probably you will get apple juice or you will get grape juice. That's what you expect me to say? I nodded my head. No, not really. But tell me, what will you get? Of course, you'll get orange juice. So then I asked her, suppose you imagine that instead of that orange fruit, you are there and somebody is squeezing you, putting pressure on you, talking many nonsensical things, irritating you, and they also create anger in you. How would you respond? She said, of course, I'm going to fight with them. I'm going to shout at them. I'm not going to leave them just like that. So in life, when someone puts lots of pressure on you and they talk things which are irrelevant, which may not be the truth, and they try to create problems to you. So are we reacting or are we acting or responding? The three things. So if you are reacting, probably what she said was right. You will give it back the way they spoke to you. And if you're acting, you'll take some more time, count 10 and see what will be the kind of reaction from the other side. And if you're responding, probably you will smile and then think about it and then respond slowly. Then what comes out will be entirely different from what you will be, at that stage as a volcano erupting. That is called reaction. Instead of reaction, if you get into a response, probably you will come out with a solution of love, removing the negativity and making life easier for you and for them. You will also see some change in them, the way they behave with you. So when God created all of us, it is all pure love inside. So if you are squeezed instead of love, hatred, anger comes out of you, negativity comes out of you, that's not you. So the inside out has to be only love, care, empathy, sympathy, and that's how we can make our living better and also the living of others better. Thank you so much for listening to this small story. Thank you so much.